In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card during checkout. This is an incredibly handy way to manage your payments and, in many cases, save a bit on your purchase. Using a gift card can be a straightforward process, but there are a few steps to get it just right. So, let's dive in and make sure everything goes smoothly. First, when you've reached the checkout stage of your online shopping journey, take a moment to review all the items in your cart. It's always a good idea to make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Now, go ahead and proceed to checkout. You'll usually find this button in the top right corner or at the bottom of your shopping cart page labeled as Checkout or Proceed to Checkout. Now that you're in the checkout phase, you'll need to select a payment method. This is where the magic happens. Look for an option to add a payment method. This option is typically labeled clearly and can be found alongside other methods like credit or debit cards. Select Add Payment Method. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see various payment options available. Choose the one that says Gift Card. This is an important step, as this ensures you're applying the gift card rather than your usual default payment method. Once you've selected the gift card option, you'll be prompted to enter the necessary details. Now, let's grab that gift card number and its PIN. These are usually found on the back of the card, sometimes under a protective scratch-off strip. Make sure to handle it gently so you don't scratch off any important numbers. Carefully enter these numbers into the designated fields. If you're shopping on your mobile device, autofill might be available for quicker entry, but be sure to double-check the details to avoid errors. With the correct gift card number and PIN entered, it's time to apply the balance to your purchase. Most systems will have a button labeled Apply, or a similar action option. Click this and you'll see the balance from your gift card subtract from your total amount due. Watch as your total decreases and feel that sense of satisfaction. Now, if by chance the gift card covers the entire purchase, you may find you owe nothing further and can go ahead and confirm your order. But if there's still a remaining balance, you'll need to select another payment method to cover the difference. This can be done by returning to the payment method section and selecting an additional form of payment. And there you have it. You've successfully used a gift card during checkout. This is a great way to manage your spending and make excellent use of those gift cards you've been holding on to. Thanks for joining today and happy shopping.